In the previous video, we created a plot with two functions overlaid on top of each other. But currently the plot looks a bit sparse, it looks a bit boring because we haven't given any descriptive information about it. So what is the x-axis? What is the y-axis? So this video is just going to explain how we can edit plots so that we can put on X labels and Y labels and maybe a title. Maybe we want to change the title too. So the way that we do that is we need to have a plot, an existing plot already, but once we do, we can click on the graph and we can go to layout. So on the layout tab there's a whole bunch of options we can use to change the labels, the axes, whether there's grid lines that show up and so on. So for now I'm not going to go through all of it. I just want to add an X label and a Y label, and maybe I want to give it a title. So in order for me to get the labels, I need to go to axis titles, and then the horizontal axis is the x-axis. I'm going to say title below the axis because that's normally where you put it. For now I'm just going to say X, and maybe I want to put there, this is X measured in meters. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but it's something where I've got some X label with some units maybe. Then I want to insert the y-axis, so again I go to axis titles under layout and I go to vertical axis, and now I want to include a rotated title, and there's different options, but this is normally the preferred one, rotated title. And again I'm just going to edit this and say Y. Y, I don't know what it is. Y unknown units. This is all just gibberish, but I just want to include something to show. So I've got an X and a Y label. It's looking a bit better. Maybe I want to just make this chart a bit more square so I can edit it. So everything in Excel is point and click. It's very user friendly. You do everything with the mouse, which is nice for one or two plots. If you had to do 500 of them or something, then you're probably better off doing it in MATLAB and programming in what the units are and what the labels are and so on. But for quick and easy plots, Excel is quite nice. The last thing I want to do is maybe I want to add a chart title, and let's say I want to put it above, say some plot. I don't know. That's probably not a good title for your actual work. Don't name your titles some plot. You probably won't get good marks. But again, this is just a demonstration of how you can edit your graphs so that they're a bit more descriptive. You should always put labels on your charts so that people understand what's going on. And then there's also options to change grid lines, the font size. I can change this. I probably, if I'm going to put this into a report, I want to make these font sizes a lot bigger so that people can read what's going on. Maybe I want to edit these two. Okay, so not the most interesting plot, but a plot nevertheless that's been edited using the functionality of Excel. So that's all I wanted to show in this video. I will see you in the next video.